Open Excel today. The version you used last week is not the version you are opening now. Not because Microsoft redesigned the interface, not because they changed the menus. Something much more important changed. On April 22nd, 2026, Microsoft quietly rolled out Copilot's new Agentic capabilities across Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Most professionals never noticed. Most organizations never announced it. Most people kept working exactly as they had the day before, but the nature of office work changed. Because the Copilot that existed before answered questions. The Copilot that exists now executes, and that distinction changes everything. Word usage increased 52% per user after the rollout. Excel usage increased 67%. Those aren't the numbers you see when people discover a feature. Those are the numbers you see when people begin delegating work. You might think, I've had Copilot for years. So have I. But the Copilot that existed before was an assistant. The Copilot that exists now is becoming an agent. And by the end of this video, I'll show you the one thing Copilot now does inside Excel that fundamentally changes what a spreadsheet is. Not incrementally. Fundamentally. Because Microsoft's biggest announcement of 2026 wasn't really announced. It was buried inside documentation that almost nobody read. And the real story isn't Excel. It isn't Word. It isn't PowerPoint. The real story is what Microsoft is turning Office into. For decades, knowledge work operated on a simple premise. We were hired for our expertise. But we were paid for our execution, the reports, the spreadsheets, the presentations, the formatting, the scheduling, the endless movement of information from one system to another. Execution became the job, and execution is exactly what Microsoft is beginning to automate. Think about how most professionals have worked for the last 20 years. Outlook, Teams, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, 5 separate systems, 5 separate contexts, one person connecting them all, you. You were the connective tissue. You carried information between applications. You maintained context. You remembered what happened in the meeting. You updated the spreadsheet. You created the report. The software wasn't connected. You were. That's what made knowledge work exhausting. Not the complexity, the fragmentation, the constant switching, the mental effort required to keep everything synchronized. Microsoft's solution was surprisingly simple. Stop treating Copilot as a feature. Start treating it as a system. One Copilot, one memory, one context. Across Word, Excel, Teams, Outlook, and PowerPoint. For the first time, the applications are beginning to behave like parts of a single workflow. And that changes what work feels like. The easiest place to see that shift is Excel, because Excel has always been one of the most powerful tools in business, and one of the most intimidating. For decades, using Excel meant translating business questions into spreadsheet language. Someone asks, which customers grew the fastest this quarter? You don't answer the question. You build the machinery required to answer it. Formulas, pivot tables, charts, filters, analysis. Now something very different is happening. You ask the question, Copilot builds the machinery. That's the shift, not better formulas, not smarter spreadsheets. A completely different relationship between the person and the tool. In Excel's new Agentic mode, Copilot can generate formulas, create pivots, build charts, analyze data, and most importantly, create a plan before it executes. You describe what you want to know. Copilot determines how to get there. You review the plan, you approve it. Then it performs the work. For decades, the spreadsheet was a grid you filled in. Increasingly, it is becoming a grid that fills itself. And that's where many professionals become uncomfortable, because the first question is always the same. If Copilot can do the spreadsheet work, what happens to the expertise? That's the wrong question. A better question is, what part of the expertise actually creates value? Think about calculators. Calculators didn't eliminate mathematicians. They eliminated arithmetic. GPS didn't eliminate experienced drivers. It eliminated route memorization. The professionals who benefited most from those tools weren't beginners. They were experts. Because experts understood how to use the leverage. The same thing is happening here. The value is moving. For years, value came from knowing how to build the analysis. Increasingly, value comes from knowing which analysis should be built. That is a very different skill, and a much more valuable one. Because the future professional is not the person who can build the most formulas. It's the person who can ask the best questions and recognize whether the answers actually make sense. Now let's move beyond Excel for a moment, because the spreadsheet isn't actually the biggest story. The bigger story is what happens when every Microsoft application starts behaving like part of the same system. Historically, Word handled documents, PowerPoint handled presentations, Outlook handled email, Teams handled meetings, Excel handled data. Each application performed its role, and you performed the integration. That is what is changing. In Word, Copilot can take notes, research, and rough ideas and transform them into a structured report. In PowerPoint, it can build presentations from existing documents and data. In Outlook, it can prioritize communications and prepare responses. But Teams is where the shift becomes impossible to ignore, because meetings have never been the problem. The work created by meetings is the problem. Action items, follow-ups, responsibilities, scheduling, accountability. Historically, every meeting generated more work. Now imagine a meeting ending and the work already being organized. Action items identified, responsibilities assigned, follow-ups prepared, next steps documented. That is the difference between an assistant and an agent. An assistant helps, an agent acts, and every major technology company is moving in this direction. Microsoft, Google, OpenAI, Anthropic. They are all racing toward the same destination, software that executes instead of simply responding. And that raises an important question. If your organization uses Microsoft 365 every day, how much of your work is actually expertise, and how much of it is execution? Because the answer determines how much these tools matter to you. If most of your day is judgment, the impact is moderate. If most of your day is execution, the impact is enormous. And that brings us to the most important capability Microsoft released, the one feature that changes what a spreadsheet actually is. Because the spreadsheet is no longer waiting for instructions, it's beginning to understand intent. And once software understands intent, the next question becomes obvious. What exactly is left for the human to do? Right after this.